Good morning. So this happened by accident, but I made the coolest river for the ducks and geese to play in. And it happened because when I was dumping out the pools for the ducks, morning to you too, the water was flowing into the goat house where the goats sleep because my coop is kind of on a little bit of a hill. So basically I started to dig a berm, which is where you build up an area to keep water flow to one side. And then I let the old pool, like the porcelain tub, drain into a kiddie pool and run over the edge and go down into a river. I think it's cool. I hope you do too. I'll show you. Well, first, let's release the beasts. Y'all ready to come out? Good morning, birds. The geese make their appearance. Good morning. So this is the waterfall. So they have stairs that go up. Hi, Coco. Hello, Coco. And then right now I have the hose in there to show what's happening. And then we have Copper in the pool. Usually the call ducks are the first to dive in, but they might be avoiding it because he's a male. Good morning, pretty rooster. So this is the berm I was talking about. It's just basically a ditch with a hill on one side that makes the water flow the way I want it to. So I set it up so that this whole waterfall pool system flows down here. And then when we get to this pool, now the call ducks are in this one swimming. They're so funny. So then this pool as well, the drain is under that log, so it drains down into that berm, which go into the same little river. And before, the water was just going straight down there to right under that green board where the goats, or at least where Luna sleeps. The females both still tend to sleep up top in the little, like, second floor of it. Nothing happier than a bunch of call ducks in a pool. Good morning, Waddles. I know you're quacking loud. Waddles looks a little bit haggard because her feathers are going in from a molt. Ooh. That's what I mean about the boys. They chase the girls. Or in that case, they chase whoever. Okay, Fig. Aww. So cute. I love that little white one with the very, very yellow bill. They will be in my breeding program for next spring, so we'll have lots and lots of baby call ducks, I hope. Hopefully they winter fine. Take a look at the little river that I made, sort of on accident. And then I decided it was cool, so I kept going. not having fun in there? There's Paddington. Bye. There's some neighbors doing construction, so Fig is making sure that they're under control. Hello, geese. You playing in the river too? And then the youngest call ducks, this pretty one, the silver one, I think I'm going to call Sterling. And that little one over there with a peach belly, maybe I'll just stick with Peaches. And Waddles and Inky are still looking out for them, because they're the best moms ever. I know. Hi. Hi, Gus and Goo. Yes, you're very beautiful. Mm-hmm. And this is where it kind of ends and goes under some logs and down into the forest. So from the lower part of the hill, I'm proud of this. It just creates a situation where all of the waterfowl can have a big area to play and dig for things with their bills. And all of the chickens have a spot where they can always get a drink. I don't always leave it on, that would be wasteful of water. But I've also found that when this bottom pool gets a little bit gross, instead of dumping the whole thing and refilling it, I can make this waterfall happen and it clears that one out a little bit. Okay, ta-ta for now. Say bye, birdies.